Our average high temperature today, 32 degrees, but about the best we will do for high readings in the mid 20s, so below average. And notice that is the trend through Saturday. We should be able to get up around 30 degrees for Sunday and Monday. Well, today, tonight, and tomorrow, we have some on and off snow. It's not going to amount to much, but with winds at times gusting up around 25 or 30 miles per hour, the snow will be on the move. Now, through 7 p.m., we're talking trace amounts of snow to maybe an inch across the area. And we got a disturbance passing through tonight, so by tomorrow morning, there should be a couple of fresh inches of snow on the ground. And that is going to be the case later in the day tomorrow, too. A quick moving disturbance may be bringing an inch or two of additional snow. We check out the hour by hour forecast for this afternoon. We've got some clouds. That next disturbance moving in, so late afternoon into the evening, there will be some snow flying in mid Michigan. It'll be with us into the night. Now, tomorrow morning, we do start the day off with clouds. Another quick moving disturbance coming in, and we hit the afternoon hours on Wednesday into the evening. We have snow flying, and again, there could be an inch or two of snow. Then we have some clearing as we head towards midnight on Wednesday. So, New Year's Eve conditions should actually improve, although it is going to be quite cold. For us today, we have some snow showers around. Again, accumulations out of this into the evening hours, maybe an inch or two. 25 our high today, but with those winds gusting up near 30 miles per hour, still going to be a cold nip to the air. For tonight, we have some snow showers around. Our low tonight near 20. Still wind gusts to 25 miles per hour. Should be quiet to start the day off on Wednesday, but we get to the afternoon and evening hours, some snow flying. Our high Wednesday, 27 degrees. Now, if you're going to be out and about for New Year's Eve, the snow winds down during the early evening hours. It's cold. At midnight, we should be down around 13 degrees. Now, during the day on Friday or Thursday, New Year's Day, skies are partly cloudy, a high of 21 degrees. We've got some clouds around Friday, a high of 27, the mid 20s on Saturday. Sunday, we have cloudy skies, a high near 30. There is the chance of some light snow Sunday night.